today we've got Ben in for his first attempt. If it was just an average dude, I wouldn't have any concerns at all, but this guy's a PhD lecturer at the university, so that's what worries us. Have any questions before we start?
No, all good.
Go on, and off you go. So just stick this in the cup holder with the when you get in the car, yeah?
Okay.
Just put in there. How are you feeling?
Yeah, all right. We'll see. We'll see.
Well, it's finally here.
Yeah. I'll feel better. Whatever happens, I'll feel better after. It's always the not knowing that's the worst.
Well, that'll fly over if you read the road. Got any concerns about anything at all? Anything you're not sure about?
No, the only thing is the bonnet, but you'll show me that somewhere.
Did we not go under there?
We haven't done the bonnet yet, no.
What did your partner say? Did he give you any tips?
No.
No?
Just good luck.
Good luck. I hope you haven't got any tricks up your sleeve. Because I had one PhD guy pull the headlight off. One PhD guy snapped the cable on the handbrake. Another one snapped the lever on the cable on the bonnet. And I've had them fail for stopping on keep clearways. Numerous things. But I think you'll break the mold today, won't you?
That's what we're going for.
How would you check your brake lights are working?
You would turn the power on, press the brake lights, and then either use a mirror or get someone else to help you.
Good. Indicator lights?
Same thing, but walk around the car thing.
Good. Well, it has, yeah. How would you switch your headlights to main beam?
You would turn on dipped headlights, then pull forward the left lever for 2 seconds, and then there's a warning light on the dashboard.
So you just push it out, yeah? The blue light comes on.
Push forward, push that way.
We're thinking about cleaning the windows.
Okay, that's
2 seconds. So you see a blue light comes on and a red light, yeah?
right.
When would you put your rear fog lights on?
When visibility is less than 100 meters.
Good. How would you put them on?
There are 2 buttons. You turn on the headlights, and then there are 2 buttons down by the right knee.
Good. How would you know the fault of the anti-lock brake system?
Warning light on the dashboard.
Good. And be ready, the lights could change. Head restraint.
Rigid part level with with eyes or top of ears, and then and as close to the back of the head as possible.
What do you do with this first? All very good. I'm going to leave that in the video. Mirrors kept a good distance back from the car. Couldn't overtake because of brow hill and went to see it over the top. It's good. Good, well done. Guess what my pupils would have done there? Tried to overtake
on the brow
hill. So I'm just going to say stop now. Be careful with that pedals of yours. Just push it firmly to the floor, yeah? stop. Dangerous for you doing that. Right, that'll do.
So then just put everything in
That's
off.
it. Drive on when you're ready.
Do you turn the car off? Or
No,
is
no,
that-
just that's it. Just drive on when you're ready. That's it. Because if you miss them blind spots, you've had it, yeah? Yeah, it's all good, but don't forget them blind spots, yeah?
Yeah. So, what you mean when setting off? Yeah.
Yes, you must check them. But your clutch did go down a bit
Early, yeah.
but it should have been, but you had enough room. But try and leave the clutch still this second, yeah? But it'll be a pass. Don't forget the blind spots.
Okay.
So when you stop, handbrake in neutral, then all around the car, yeah. Can you just do your parallel park on that blue car? Now, the examiner will pull you in first.
Yeah.
Yeah, so good all round observations. You do it, you can do it anywhere. A steep hill. Perfect. You noticed the learner driver waiting for you, didn't you? Yeah, it was all good. Well done. Really good. And then what do you do when you stop? Driver when you're ready. Any questions about that one?
No, that was good.
Yeah, it was really good. Yeah.
Give it like that. Right. Cyclists.
Very, very impressive clutch control. Good, don't get any closer to the yellow van. We'll wave back them if you want, you know, so we're see them all waving at you.
Yeah, that's nice of them. I can't quite concentrate on that many things.
But just be ready, get a bit close to these cars on your left. You need to move out to the right a bit more. Bit more to the right. That's better. Just a couple of things before we go in. Right, yeah, it was a good drive. Just that one serious fault at the roundabout. So, oh shoot. There was no left. It said turn right, second exit. You were over here. Now, if you do that on test, what should you do?
Go straight on.
Go straight on. Don't, whatever you do, don't do that. You can get wrong. Few mirror faults for passing parked cars and just getting a bit close to them. You know, when the parked cars is on the left hand side, you're just getting a bit close to these cars. You've got to look at the space. Odd hesitation, but that's it really. Right, it's time that we spend the very best of luck. Prediction time?
Oh no, I don't know.
No?
No, don't do the predictions.
Why is that?
Well,
I've got to go for first time. 4 minus 5 maybe at the push, but got to be first time. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, how are you then? Do you want to go to the toilet?
Yeah.
Well, we're back off test with Maze and Ben. Tell them what you've done.
Passed.
How many faults?
I don't know, I didn't really understand. Did he seriously say just one?
Just one fault. You
Okay, that's
fluffed
alright.
the gears going up towards Neville's Cross.
I went into first rather than third.
Did you?
I was coming off the roundabout,
Yeah.
and I just I only for a second just went into first, realised, and then went into third, but it sort of crunched a bit.
So if you never ragged the gears, you would have had a perfect drive.
Would have been a perfect, yeah.
What was the examiner like?
Yeah, really nice.
Was
Great
he?
guy, yeah.
See, they're not nasty, are they?
No, not nasty. Very friendly, kind of chatting away, and a little bit, yeah. In the traffic up in Langley Moor, where there's the
traffic lights.
There's gasworks there at the moment,
Yeah.
so yeah, we were waiting a bit there.
What manoeuvre did you do?
Easy. The crossing to the other side of the road and
Pull up on the right. Did you do the emergency stop?
No.
What questions did you get?
I got brakes at the beginning and then window.
Wow. Well, you've done really hard route, one winder.
And then back round some other roundabout, and then down
well
to.
Done. So was it nervous when you first got in the car beside him, or did you feel nervous?
Yeah, a little bit nervous then, and then some reason the nerves also hit me about 3/4 of the way through as well.
Did they?
Yeah, something happened. I can't remember what it was. I think it was. No, nothing. I think I just. My mind, had got into a bit of a zone, and then I just suddenly realised at some point I was doing a test, and then just you sort of, I don't know, it just hit me again that actually this was.
Well, the examiner was very impressed with Ben's driving skills, wasn't he? What did he say? It was a lovely drive.
He said a lovely drive. Yeah, he seems happy. Yeah, it was good.
Thanks to his partner, because she took him out a bit. She put up, didn't she?
She did put up. She was great. Yeah.
Yeah. So
you've been fantastic as well. It's been great.
So they haven't got quotas, have they? Examiners. There's an old woman's tale that they can only pass so many, and they only have.
As far as I know, it's just pass or fail depending on the day.
Yeah. Well, you said he was really nice, didn't you?
He was great. Yeah. No. He was put me at ease. Easy enough. Yeah.
Well done.
Just.
Please, I didn't sit in the back. I would have had kittens going up the Devil's Cross bank if I seen you going the wrong gear.
It was alright, and then that left turn at the top there was
very dodgy.
It was fine, but there was a car in front of me who was just pulling out, and it was it all worked.
I bet you're well chuffed, are you?
I am very chuffed.
So when you pulled up, did you thought you passed or failed?
I thought I had a good chance that I passed. I thought there were a couple of other places that I might have got a minors. But I mean, your tests are definitely harder.
Yeah, it's supposed to be
quite a lot harder, I think. So I don't know. I think that put me in a bit of a kind of like I wasn't completely sure how many minors, but I didn't think there was anything that was a major. So
did you thought you drove really well then?
I thought I'd driven well. I mean, I drove the same as when I'm with you. I mean, so I don't think I drove like differently at all, but I drove like I drive with you. So that's happy with that.
Must have been a bit smoother then, was it?
I think he's just a bit nice. I don't think he. Yeah, I think there were a few clunky gear changes and stuff. Yeah, of course. I mean, it's.
Wow.
It was one point I dropped down to first, maybe a bit too early and stuff, but I don't. Yeah.
Good.
But I think he was happy enough.
Yeah, he was.
Must a lot. He said he's been out twice already today.
Yeah.
It must a lot depend on what those tests were like as well. How he feels about my tests. Like.
Might have had 2 dodgy drives in this morning.
Yeah, so if it's a nice drive and there's no majors, then it's probably quite relaxing for him.
He's good at making you feel comfortable, isn't he?
Yeah, he did that well.
He's new actually. He hasn't been doing it a lot.
Very nice guy.
So you'll get what you're doing with licensing?
He's got that.
Are you sending it?
So it'll go to my parents, which is fine. I mean, I'm away for a while.
So I'm all right to put this on YouTube. What happened to some of your pupils see you on YouTube?
That's fine. That's
fine.
At
least you can see I'll smash over one mine the first time.
I think that's yeah. I'll have a look when it goes up, and no, it's fine.
Sure?
Yeah.
Good. Well, I've had a lot of lectures who've said, "Oh no, I don't want to go go on in case my pupils see these videos, and then if I fail, I'm going to look like a right lemon.
Yeah, it's a mixed one. I can never work out whether they'll care or not. But I think, yeah, to be honest, they're never going to find it. I mean, well, unless they're looking, they're not going to find it just because they're looking for videos of me.
Yeah.
They'll find it. They might find it if they're looking for driving instruction. That's the only reason. But then that's fine. I mean,
I've done the first time with one mine.
I can just recommend you, so it's not a problem.
Oh, well done.
That's all right. Well, you can.
So yeah, really difficult route that. Lots of roundabouts, wasn't it?
Yeah, quite a few, like 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
1 mini, 5, 6. Oh, this one as well. Yeah, roundabouts, which aren't my favourite thing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Something
10,
like that.
yeah, 10, about 10, 11 roundabouts on that route. Count them all up.
Yeah, well, that's good.
Was the roads busy?
The roundabouts were all actually. I mean, they were busy, but they were all okay. They weren't crazy. What was busy was Frammelgate.
Was it?
Yeah, just people walking around, just shopping and crossing the road and all this kind of thing.
The test yesterday, Sophie taught it from scratch. She could have done with a few more lessons, but she passed with 7 minors, which is a lot.
There's a lot.
Yeah. Anything, if a pupil passes with anything less than 3 or below, then it's a really good drive. Then but you just get 1.
That's alright.
You could have had a clean sheet.
Could have. That was.
Would have suited you down to the ground, because everything you do is perfect, isn't it?
Not quite, but it's probably good for me not to get a clean sheet.
Why?
Well, just.
Well, look better.
Yeah, I don't know, but it's it doesn't matter, right?
No, you passed
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. That's the point.
What is you've smashed it easy. You made it look easy. 1 minor.
That's good.